happening here?
Come out to the buffet. So wherever you like. Restrooms are right back there.
Nice. What'd you get? Chicken? Did you get the salmon as well?
Salmon, beef, potatoes, rice.
Frankie, you want one?
Oh, thanks. So we've just had some lunch and oh my god, it was the best lunch I've had here so far. It was tactile dining. We met Donald, Goofy, Daisy and Mickey all in their safari outfits, and it was like a buffet restaurant. Really good for vegetarians. Definitely would go there because I'm finding it really difficult, so that's a good one to go to.
Sorry, my phone started ringing at the same time. I apologise. Thank you.
We're about to go and watch the Lion King show now. Really excited to see this. I expect it will be really good.
His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as you welcome to the festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timo's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Something but you really wanted when it